Hi everyone. Today I want to go over how I start a typical study session. This is important because I knew when I started this program I would have a lot of work assigned to me. I knew I'd have lots of readings to do, a lot of papers that I would need to write, and a lot of research that I would need to conduct. And I needed a plan to help me to finish everything that I started. And one of the things I learned was if I got into certain patterns, then I was more likely to finish the things I started. So today I want to show a little bit of what I do to start my typical study session. Okay, so once I sit down at my computer, I typically open 3 tabs. I open my school tab, my Concordia Blackboard tab. This is where I log in here. I open up my Noodle Tools tab, and this is where I keep all of my resources that I've used throughout the program. And I open my OneDrive, and I shared a little bit about this in one of my previous blogs. And this is where I store all my documents. So here is where I log in to do my work and find out what assignments I have. Here is where I store all of my resources and all of my citations. And here is where I place all of my assignments once they're completed or when I'm working on them. Right now I am in this class, so this is the one that I open up. Once I have this open, then I have some kind of motivation to start. So let's just go ahead and log in. So I log into all of these things. Oh, I need to try that again. Okay, so I just log in, and then I open up my resources, and I'll go over this another time, how I use this, because I know if I'm going to be writing my papers, then I'll need to have my resources available to me. And I do this here. And you can see where all of my citations are. Not too many books yet for this course. Okay, let me just get all of this in here. And how I log things, I can see what week I'm working on. And right now I'm in my Religion and Dense Meaning course. So I am here in I already have a week 8 document started for me. Okay, so I'm here in week 5. So I'll go ahead and open that up. Oh my goodness. I need to update my links here. Okay. And I log into my course. And you can see this. If you are going to be a student at Concordia University, this is what your interface will look like. So I am right now on week 5. And I'll read the introduction for the course. At the beginning of the week on a Monday or even a Sunday, I'll look at all the readings that I have, and I have quite a bit that I had to do and a movie that I need to watch. And I will go ahead and do this. I'll usually copy everything, and then I'll just go ahead and paste it into my Word Online document so that I always have access to it, and then I can go ahead and start my assignment there. Yeah. So once I finish writing my assignment, then I get my works cited list from my Noodle Tools, and then I will copy and paste it into my document. Yeah, sorry, got a little bit of a lag. So you have all of my references there, and here is where I post my assignments. I have a discussion board here. So here's all the things that was posted this week. We are here in week 5. There's a lot of things that people have already done for this course. But that's basically what I do. I just make sure I have all of my things open so that I'm just motivated to click on it. I don't know how it is with you, but if I have a window open anywhere on my computer, I will eventually click on it. So no matter what I'm doing, I will eventually click on that. And if I have been distracted, if I was distracted, I will get back on track once I click on one of my tabs here. So that's mostly what I do, how I get started, and the next time I make a post, I'll tell you a little bit more about Noodle Tools and how I use that to finish my coursework. I'll just show you this quickly here. These are all the different courses that I've done, and you can see the different amount of sources I've had to use for each course or each project that I've done. Okay. Well, thanks so much for looking. I hope this gives you some kind of insight on how I get started. I don't have any other real ritual to do my work other than just opening up all of these tabs. One of the things that we've done, oh, this is easier. One of the courses that we have in the beginning, in the first semester, it's a writing course, and there's this one session that we did about our rituals that we have to get started in any of our projects, and that's where I was able to solidify the different things I needed to do before I got started. So yes, I do open up all these tabs, but before I even sit down to do any work, I have my other personal things that I do. Like, I definitely need to be ready. I've had already taken a shower, brushed my teeth. I would have already needed to read my Bible. Where's my Bible here? So I make sure that I already do my Bible reading, my devotional time, so then that way I am focused once I get started. Right now I'm in my classroom. That's because I got to work early, so I was able to get a lot of stuff done here before I started opening up any of my things for my work day. But I hope all of this helps you, and hopefully if you decide to get started on any doctorate program or to continue your education, that you too can establish some rituals and you can get your typical study sessions set to help you to be successful. All right, thanks everyone. Have a great day.